After the instrument is removed, first locate the overflow pipe and insert it into the back without a plug. Now, pour distilled water into the water tank, about 38 liters. Just add it directly. The water will slowly overflow into this round hole and then flow into the instrument water tank. After adding water, the water will flow out of the overflow. Install this pressure-reducing valve after the oxygen cylinder arrives. Check if there is any dust at the oxygen cylinder interface. If there is dust, clean it up. Finally, use tools to tighten the interface. After tightening, you can connect the oxygen filling machine. Screw the pressure rod on top of the oxygen charger. Connect the other end of the oxygen charger to the outlet. Hold the tool a little tighter. Don't use too much force. The order of opening oxygen is: first, open the main valve of the oxygen cylinder. You can leave the regulating rod aside for now. You can remove it first. After installation, turn on the main valve of the oxygen cylinder. After opening, press the adjustment rod on. The pressure required for the experiment is 3 pressures. First, look at the pressure gauge on the right. Is the pressure of this oxygen cylinder? The pressure of a full bottle is about 10 kilograms. The pointer can be between 2.8 and 3.2. Just adjust it to the middle value. Set it to 3, and it's done. Next, let's start the experiment. First, open the oxygen bomb lid. This is the internal structure of the oxygen bomb. These are 2 electrodes. Place them on the oxygen bomb holder. After putting it in place, find the ignition wire. Put the ignition wire on the groove and press it down. Same on the other end. After pressing, use scissors to cut from the root. After pressing, pull out a cotton thread and tie it in the middle of the ignition wire. Then start to weigh the sample. First, place the crucible in the balance and zero the scale directly. Then weigh a benzoic acid tablet. Then write down the weight of this tablet. Then use a syringe to take 10 milliliters of distilled water. Inject it into the oxygen bomb cup. After that, put the crucible in. Use tweezers to press the benzoic acid tablet on top of the cotton thread to ignite the tablet. Then put it straight up and down in the oxygen bomb cup. You can use the oxygen bomb lid to press it upside down. Then tighten the oxygen bomb cap. After tightening, put the oxygen bomb on the oxygen charger. Then connect the oxygen bomb to the oxygen charging device. After alignment, press the handle down hard with your hand. Look at the pressure gauge. After reaching 3 kilograms, stay for 15 seconds. After the oxygen bomb is filled with oxygen, put the oxygen bomb into the stainless steel bucket. There are 3 bottom angles. Let them jam the oxygen bomb just right. After putting it down, press this handle down and watch for bubbles. If there are bubbles, it means there is an air leak. Then close the lid. Click thermal capacity calibration. The instrument starts to work normally. Click calibration input. Click sample weight. Enter the weight of benzoic acid just weighed by the scale into it. Then click confirm. Return to the previous step after storage. Then conduct the experiment. The machine will start working. Wait 15 minutes for the result. After each experiment, You need to use the valve to deflate the oxygen bomb. Put the valve on the top of the oxygen bomb. Press down hard with your palm to exhaust all the waste gas inside the oxygen bomb. Then open the lid. Dump wastewater, and then you can continue the experiment. After correction with benzoic acid, you can measure the calorific value. The previous steps are the same as doing calibration. After leveling, put the handle down again. Observe if there are any bubbles. Then cover the lid. Click Calorific Value Measurement. Click Calorific Value Input. If you are doing benzoic acid, only enter the sample weight. Click the text box behind the sample weight. Enter the weight of the weighed sample. Enter the weight you weighed. Click Confirm after entering. If you are doing coal or other materials, contain sulfur, hydrogen, and other data, you can click to enter the relevant values separately. Let's say full moisture. You can select 7 and confirm the change. Later, high and low positions will be converted. After entering, click Save. Return to calorific value determination. It will also take 15 minutes to get the result. After each experiment, you need to use the valve to deflate the oxygen bomb. Place the valve on the top of the bomb. Press it down hard with your palm. To exhaust all the waste gas inside the bomb. Then unscrew the lid of the oxygen bomb. Take out the crucible after opening it. Use tweezers to clean the electrode of the oxygen bomb. For the second experiment, to avoid ignition failure, then put the oxygen bomb on the bracket and pour out the wastewater inside. Thank you for watching.